Hi, welcome to the market view for Tuesday, the 15th of September 2014. And starting off with the 30-minute British pound, we can see we had a bit of a rally at the start of the session, the market trading up to the 162.50 area here before finding resistance at the previous day's close, which of course was Friday's, and then the market trading lower down to the support 1 there, through the DP and down to support 1. We had a sell signal, this was filled, which looks like we had quite a bit in the move, but unfortunately the best we could have expected before the close is around break even, because the market basically just traded sideways once it filled the order there. You can see just trading in a narrow range, and the total range yesterday was 47 pips, so very quiet once again. In the 60-minute chart, no signals at all, but again you can see that just sort of sideways motion. Well, it's been like this now for a few weeks. So just draw this in there. You can see from certainly from September the 11th through to the 15th. So hopefully today we will get a bit more movement, and we'll see why in just a moment. But first, have a look at the daily chart. We've got this doesn't look quite right, so let me just reload this. It doesn't look like the data's been drawn properly for last night's trading there, so let's just reload these. That's more like it. So you can see we've got a bit of weakness around yesterday after we've had a few days to the upside, and this also showing here as well. We've got support at the 162 level, so it's a matter of whether the market holds at this or not. If it doesn't, then we could expect the market to sort of trade down to the 161.36 and 161.04 is where the support will be. And the reason I say that is that this morning's news is the CPI news from the Office for Line Statistics, as it's known, because everybody knows that inflation is rising. They feel the pressure every time they go to the supermarket, but it's not reflected in the government statistics. So the Office for Line Statistics this morning will be releasing the inflation figures, which the RPI is to show unchanged, but the CPI to show a 0.1 drop again. So we'll wait and see. Then we've got Eurozone ZEW economic sentiment, and then the US at 130. We've got the PPI producer price input figures. They're at 130. And on the Dow front, this finding support yesterday that we spoke about at the 16,1983 level, the market reversing and moving higher. On a daily basis and a bigger picture, we're looking at resistance around the 17,107. The market finding support once again at that psychological 17,000 level, which was interesting to see yesterday. If you've not seen it, have a look at the Dow market view, and you'll see how the market played with the 17,000 for some time before managing to break through it and then hold. And then finally, in the implied volatility, a very interesting picture. We've got 10.66 for the implied, but just have a look at the historic. It's fallen off a cliff. The divergence is quite something else. So for me, this says that we are due for something to happen inside of the underlying market. We could see a new high first, a new all-time high that is, before we get the correction, but something is definitely afoot, and this is certainly a precursor for something happening in the Dow as well. So fingers crossed, we'll start to see a bit more volatility in the Dow as well, which has also been sideways for the last week and a half. Right, that's it for the market view, and all things being equal, see you in tomorrow's edition. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching.